Joining me today is Melissa Leong, and we're going to be making a very healthy snack. They're all the rage at the moment, aren't they?
Oh, these are delicious vegan coconut snack balls.
Yum. Oh. So what makes them so healthy?
Well, first of all, they're so easy. No
Yeah.
cooking actually required for,
Yeah.
for a cooking show. Weird recipe, but you know. So what we have in here is some beautiful desiccated coconut here, and now I'm going to add half a cup of rice malt syrup. Well, I'll get
Okay.
you to measure that out for me, please.
I can do that for you. And straight into the bowl.
Straight into the bowl.
This is a really nice idea. I think we need these snacks because sometimes the snacks out there are full of salt, full of sugar, healthy versions, healthy little treats and tips is what we need.
Well, you're right, it's a nutrient-dense, great snack that you can make heaps of them ahead, store them in the fridge, and when you have that hunger craving, you can just go and have something really nutritious and wholesome, and it's just as easy as that.
Yeah.
So, pinch of sea salt.
Okay, and that was some vanilla you added to that?
Vanilla essence in there as well, so the salt just kind of offsets the sweetness and makes everything really come together beautifully.
Yep.
And I will get you to give me about 4 tablespoons of melted coconut oil.
Great, so
Please.
I've melted that. And this just binds the whole thing
This
together.
brings it all together. So it's kind of a bit reminiscent of like Rice Krispie treats and things like that we would have had as kids. Except it's much healthier. So we're just holding everything together with coconut oil, which, as you know, once you put it in the fridge, it sort of goes a little bit solid. And that's all that's binding this really, really delicious, easy recipe together. Okay, so now from here, this is the base recipe. You can add whatever you like on top, so dried fruits. I've got some pepitas and some cacao nibs.
Nice.
Just to keep the real healthy thing going. Lots of zinc, lots of fibre. And I think that's about enough. And then some cacao nibs just for that extra little bit of crunch and that sort of bitter chocolate flavour, which again works really well with the sweetness of the rice malt syrup.
Yeah. Nice touch.
Yeah.
It's also a textural thing too, a little bit of a crunch.
That's exactly it. Okay, so this is all combined now, so let's just pop them into our moulds.
Okay.
Okay,
Some
so
spoons here.
today we have a fancy silicone mould, but you could use an ice cube tray, you could use, you could do it in one big tray, like a brownie tray or something.
Yeah, almost make them like bars.
And then make them like a bar, and you can actually slice them, pre-slice them before you let them set. Okay, so we'll just fill up these moulds, and then all we need to do is pop them in the fridge and let them firm up a little bit until they're ready to be eaten.
Oh, too easy. Melissa, these look fantastic. They've firmed up nicely.
Thank you. So the coconut oil, once it sort of hardens in the fridge, holds it all together, so you should store them in the fridge as well. I'll just get you to gently pop them out. Ooh, the moment of truth. Yes. Beautiful.
Yeah, they do firm up quite quickly.
Now, I've just melted some chocolate just because I couldn't help myself. So it is obviously, it's not vegan if you're going to use the chocolate, but you could use whatever else you like. Or you could just go naked with them. They're gorgeous.
Yeah, why not? They look beautiful.
Now, if you pass me the chocolate, just do a little drizzle. Oh, there we go.
Oh, yeah. Just crowning them. Mel, they look fantastic. A healthy snack, perfect with a cup of tea.
Absolutely.
And it's nice to see some healthy alternatives.
Wholesome, delicious. Thank you for having me.
Thanks for coming in.